Well, is Novavax going to be the next big game changer in our fight against the pandemic? Now, this vaccine, of course, is manufactured by a US vaccine maker, which also goes by the same name called Novavax. Now, this Novavax, of course, has a 90% efficacy. That's almost as good as the Pfizer vaccine. Now, this, of course, is likely to be produced and rolled out by the Serum Institute of India. Now, Novavax, of course, has already applied for an emergency use authorization in India, and perhaps India could be the first country to essentially roll out this vaccine. Now, this vaccine also could be the big boost that India's vaccination program essentially needs. Now, do remember that this vaccine is, of course, produced by a US vaccine maker. However, it is targeting the developing world, and hence India could become the first country where it could be rolled out. Now, as I was earlier saying, this is a vaccine which hopefully will be a big boost to India's vaccination drive. Now, 5 crore doses could perhaps be produced by about September. Now, September perhaps is the deadline that we are looking as far as the Serum Institute of India is concerned. Do remember that it is working in collaboration with this American drug maker to produce these doses. Now, 20 crore doses are being targeted by December. So this could, of course, be the arsenal that India is looking for in its fight against the pandemic. Now, what we are also hearing about this vaccine is that it is essentially a protein-based vaccine, and what makes it extremely good to be used in India, of course, is the fact that it does not require it doesn't have those many restrictions on storage and transportation. So essentially, it is easy to store it and transport it. This, of course, becomes a huge concern for India because of our weather and because of the heat that we see in India. So this has always been a big concern for vaccine makers in the country. Now, the other big game changer as far as this vaccine is concerned is the fact that it could begin trials in children very soon. Now, do remember that experts in India have pointed out that perhaps, the third wave, if it does come in India, could affect children, and we have seen a rush across the country to make sure that kids are vaccinated. We've already seen, the Bharat Biotech vaccine beginning trials in children. So this vaccine could also be used perhaps to vaccinate children in India. Novavax, of course, a US vaccine maker, has now entered into an agreement with the Serum Institute of India to manufacture this vaccine. Now, we are perhaps looking at December as being the time that about 20 crore vaccine doses of Novavax are likely to be rolled out in India. Now, the SII, of course, holds the contract along with Novavax and was also part of the research that was done in India. Now, the vaccine, of course, is currently in stage 2 and 3 bridging trials. It has, of course, applied for an emergency use in India, and the big news that's coming out, of course, on this vaccine that is being very keenly watched across the world, specifically in countries of the developing world, is the fact that it could be used for children. Now, in India, that is particularly good news that's coming in because experts have warned of a third wave that could impact children in India. So once it is rolled out, perhaps by September, that's the date we are broadly looking at, trials in children could also begin. Now, India, of course, is hoping to be able to vaccinate a large number of school-going children before December.